Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On Bitcoin, which is opening relatively bullish today. I think overall every Thursday that we had was quite bullish. Like if we take a look at the last Thursday, heading into the Friday, or at least Thursday morning was quite bullish, and then the Thursday before that was, well, obviously very bullish. But yeah, so that's interesting. But altogether in this video, what we'll do is we'll just do a full Bitcoin update. Yesterday we got quite a bearish day, not necessarily because of fundamentals, because right now, and the bearish momentum was also expected. If you followed my videos over the last couple of days, you could have expected it, and you could have even made some trades on that. Because in general, to already dive into the analysis a little bit, and we'll go into depth about that more in this video, don't worry. But altogether, the situation right now just is that we are consolidating. And that's again confirmed also by us not really respecting the 28 and the 50 EMAs. In a trending market, we would respect that. Now that we're not respecting those, and now that the ADX is also quite low, I think that's enough confirmation to really say that we are consolidating. And I 100% believe at this point of time still that we can actually break above 31,500 at some point and rally even higher. But for now, we're just consolidating. And for now, I don't think there has been any confirmation that we are no longer consolidating. But we'll talk a little bit more about that in this video. We'll also talk about some fundamentals, the most important fundamentals in this video, or at least for Bitcoin, I think. But before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, as you can see from the top right there as well, then check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment. And there you will find instructions on how to join. But now let's get into Bitcoin. So overall, to kind of give you a little bit more in-depth information on the current market circumstances, I think we are consolidating between 29,700 and 31,500. And within that area, we have certain moves, right? So that's great. I mean, to have some volatility, that's good. Personally, right now, we found support right here at this, we have two levels in the middle of that area at 30,850 and 30,250. Those are two key levels which we also react to quite a lot. So right now we're moving up to those two upper resistance levels. I think we'll find resistance. I still expect some sort of a move down to this area right here around 29,700. But I don't think we'll break that. I think from there we'll find support again and get up to 31,400. So basically the definition of a consolidation. Now what we're waiting for then, because then the big question is then, well, when can we actually expect to break out of that? And we're waiting for fundamentals. Those could be economic fundamentals, like with the inflation rate coming next week, so that would still take some time. Could also be financial fundamentals, I would say, with the ETFs. If the ETFs actually pass, I would say that then we can actually get that bullish momentum up towards 31,500, break above that, and rally even higher. Now, who knows for how long that rally could last? At this point of time, my price target is 34,000. But on the other hand, it could also be, and the same goes for the inflation rate. If the inflation rate keeps dropping down, that's also bullish fundamentals, and that could also push us above this level. Now, on the other hand, it could also be true, and that's really, I mean, this is something you shouldn't worry about it, but you should know it. On the other hand, what could also happen is that if the inflation rate is higher than expected, or the ETF gets rejected, then we can just as easily break down below our main support at 29,700 and drop down all the way to, well, first of all 28,500, but then all of a sudden we could turn bearish very quickly. So yeah, it's waiting for that. Until then, we're just consolidating. In that consolidation, you can actually make some nice moves as well. Like, for example, if you followed my Bitcoin videos over the last couple of days, you could have just went short from these areas. And apart from that, you can also go long if there's no other fundamentals. You can also just go long from 29,700. Pretty solid trades in my opinion. But that's my take on Bitcoin for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.